Hello everyone, welcome to the new series of variations. So in today's concept we will be learning about a new assignment, that is we have to find out the maximum numbers of unique prime numbers. So in this assignment we will be learning how to find out the maximum number of prime numbers of a number, but those factors जो हैं, they are also the unique. So we have been given a number and we have to find out the maximum number of unique prime factors any number can have in a particular range. Okay. For example, if number is given as 3, the output should be 1. Similarly, if the number is given as 500, the output should be 4, the maximum, because the maximum number of prime factors for any number between the range 1 to 500 will be 4. Because a number in range that has 4 prime factors is 210. How these 4 numbers are there? 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. So when we will multiply all of these 4 numbers, we will get the answer. Okay. So this is now we have to find it out, that maximum number of unique prime factors. So how we are going to calculate it? Let's just find it out. So I'll be taking a number n is equal to 40. Okay, and I will be printing out here max prime factors. I will be giving it the number n as well. So let's just create the max prime method over here. So what we will do now to find out the max prime factors. So what I will do here, I will simply create a method as we have created, and I will keep it as integer as return. Okay. I'll be taking a variable array is equal to new integer n plus 1. We have already gone through a concept of Eratosthenes method in order to count the number of unique prime factors. So we will go with that method. So for that method, what we have to do is we have to iterate it and we have to find out the prime numbers. How we will do that? I will be writing it as I is equal to 2. I into I is less or equal to n. And then I is plus plus. So I will be using that method only. So we have already done that concept in another video. Please refer to that video. Only after that you can just understand this concept. Okay. So after that we will be taking another loop over here. J is equal to 2 into I we have taken. And J should be less than over here with the given number n. And finally store that value j plus plus, and if not, now if it is true, then we will store the value into array of j, or otherwise we will simply put the one value in array of I. And now how many times we are going to do that? We will be just returning the maximum number of elements in the array. How we are going to do that? I will create another method for that. So I will be returning that method. We are going to call that method over here, and I will be just passing out this array to that method. So now I will create the getMax method, where we will just try to find out how many times it has got executed. So over here I'll be taking a max variable, and the array of 0 value I will be storing into the max. I'll be just iterating it from I is equal to 1 से लेके array की length तक, and then what we will do, we will write down if array of I is greater than max, then do one thing, store the value of array of I into the max, and finally return the value of max. We have to return the value of max. This is how we will find it out. So for example, let me just check it out if we are getting up the correct answer. So if it is 40, the answer is 3. I think before this we have taken 200 or 500 we have taken, na? So 500. Oh, I haven't saved it. It was 4. Okay, so this is how we are going to find out the maximum number of unique prime factors that can have in any range from the given 1 to n. The most important concept is that we have to go through the concept of sieve of Eratosthenes, which we have discussed in another video. Please look after that video before going on to this video. Thank you very much.